Once upon a time, there was a trip planned to Shimla. 4 friends, 2 bikes, and one goal, the perfect college trip. But does anything ever go perfectly as planned? I'll say never. What was supposed to be a scenic, peaceful ride became a real life Fast and Furious, minus the fast plus the GPS. One of us took a wrong turn, someone was stuck calling the other group again and again, someone was busy taking a nap, and one guy, he was chilling with zero clue we were lost in the hills. And that's when it hit us. Coordinating group travel is far more chaotic than people realize, especially when you are in different vehicles headed to the same destination. Some get lost, people take different routes, some reach early, and the fun part of the trip turns into 12 missed calls, 7 location shares, and unnecessary arguments. And that's where the idea sparked. And boom, Destify was born. A mission to make group travel smart, stress free, and actually fun. During our research, we found that poor coordination leads to delays, confusion, accidents, and a rising carbon footprint. According to an article, India saw a 163% surge in e-waste between 2010 and 2022, which also includes tracking devices. That's when we realized this needs a smart, sustainable solution. While apps like WhatsApp and Telegram let you share live location, they lack centralized navigation. There's no way to track everyone in one place. Destify fixes that. Let's dive into Destify's core features, brought to you by none other than Team Vortex.
Destify dashboard shows all group members on one map in real time, along with their estimated time of arrival, routes, and speed.
You can even set a threshold distance if someone stays so far from the group and alert is triggered.
Cool features, right? To be honest, we had no clue about the tech stack we will be using. Then came the SAP Hackfest. We were fueled by blood, sweat, caffeine, and the support of our friends.
भाई और कितनी देर बिठाएगा डीएसएल करने जाके
We were at top in the regional round, top again in the state round, and guess what? Top again in the SAP round. And now we are off to Coimbatore on our way to finals. And this time with group coordination and a working prototype. Until then, Team Vortex signing off.